In this video, we will show how to restore application from an MER runtime file. From the main menu, click on Tools. Then select Application Manager. The Application Manager window will open, displaying several options. Select the Restore Runtime Application option. Click Next. Click the ellipsis to browse for an MER file. Select the ME runtime file and make sure it's an MER. Click Open. This is where you would enter a password if needed. Click Next. Enter a name for the restored application. Click Finish to proceed. Please wait, as this may take a few moments. Once completed, the Application Manager window will reappear. To close Application Manager, click Cancel.